Paul Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe here. Hey, Paul Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation, Paul Yaffe Originals. And today we are playing with Harley's new Softail ST model.
A set of our touchless tie-down brackets. This is a 12-point stem kit.
Road Glide 3 project. So we title this How to Make a Beatnik Fender.
So you can really take that out of the package and throw it at your kid or your cat. I don't care.
And it really cleans up, gets rid of that heavy bar, it really cleans up the fairing.
Share with you guys this fat boy who just finished